Hey there, community. Welcome once again to Lemon Academy. Today we come with a straight to the point video, no introductions or unnecessary presentations. So, as on the previous video, there was a lot of interest on Bread Lemonade, how it works, and its features. So, today is basically time to explain to you how to prepare your staking on the website, your staking of Lemon. So let's start your LMN staking, right? So as you can see, we are on the Lemon Network official site. If you don't know it, we will put right in the description below. So first, we need to connect our MetaMask to the website. We will click on connect. As you can see, mine is already connected because it doesn't pop up anything, so it means it is already connected. In your case, it could happen the same way, so be aware of that. Now we start to scrolling down. So let's keep scrolling down to the vault we want to deposit our LMN. In this case, this is LMN ICO Vault. There are 13 days, 4 hours, 7 minutes and 50 seconds left to deposit on this vault at the moment of recording this video. It has its features. There is a maximum to deposit on this vault of 5.5 million LMN. There is a deposit deadline. There is a release date. So first we need to do is to unlock the vault. It's very important to mention that we have to save EWT token to pay for network fees. In my case, I like to have 1 or 2 EWT to pay for this. It is a lot EWT, so we can pay for a lot of transactions, even years of transactions. So have that in mind. Now let's unlock the vault. We need to click on unlock. In this case, we're going to pay 0.05 EWT to unlock this one, and I recommend to edit the gas fee to 0.001 EWT at least before confirming the transaction. Now it is confirming, and now the step 2 is to introduce the amount we want to deposit on this Lemon ICO Vault. In this case, it is going to be 500. It will pop up another MetaMask transaction. Like I said before, I recommend to edit the gas fee transaction to 0.001 EWT and max and priority gas fee, and go forward. Now the deposit is successful. So now let's go to the Lemon Network Vault. At the moment of recording this video, there are 29 days, 4 hours, 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to deposit on this vault. It has its own features, how many elements have been locked, deposit deadline, release date, just like the previous one. So let's unlock, and a MetaMask transaction will pop up. Before confirming to pay to unlock this vault, I recommend to edit the gas fee to 0.001 EWT at least, and then confirm it. Lemonade contract is unlocked, and now it's time to write the amount we want to deposit on this vault. It could be as many as you want, 1 element, 2 element, 1 million element, as much as you want. So we write and we click on deposit. It will pop up another MetaMask transaction. As I said before, I recommend to edit the gas fee on this to at least 0.001 IWT and then confirming. Now it is showing the deposit have been successful, and it is showing how many elements I have on the vault, how many I did stake. In this case, it is 10 elements. It is also very important to go to our MetaMask and verify that our element has been discounted from the MetaMask to the vault, and I already did it, and it shows everything right, everything correct. I have 10 elements less that I had, so everything is okay. So now it's time to relax and wait until the release date of each vault. Maybe have a glass of wine, a pizza, or something cool. And yeah, I forgot to mention that once we refresh the page, it shows these stats like my LMN rewards, my vault share. So if it doesn't show up, refresh the page and make sure you don't have a translator activated on the website, because it could create some trouble. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.